Hey y'all, Vinny again. Today I'm going to show you the latest thing to come out of the Mad Luthier's workshop. This is, as far as I know, the world's first and only electric oil can banjo. But if somebody else has one, I would love to see it. What it's made of is a Heartwood B1000 5-string banjo neck, the nice rosewood fretboard, a can of Marvel Mystery Oil, and that signature dinner fork, because you can't have an oil can banjo without a dinner fork. But what really makes the magic happen is this guy right here. This is an Artec lipstick tube pickup. And it really puts out the volume. It sounds sweet on the banjo. It's meant for guitars, but I wanted to have fun experimenting with this. Because you can go out and you can buy special bridge pickups for banjos that are like these, but they have little magnets in them and you can wire them up. But that's too expensive, and I'm a cheapskate. So I went with a lipstick tube pickup for $25 from eBay. But the results were more than satisfying, because when you hook this thing up to an amp, you can really put out some serious sound. What I'm going to do today is more of a sound demo, not really a bunch of playing and songs and all that. It's more of a sound demo so you can get a feel for what one of these things sound like if you ever decide you want to build your own. So when you play an oil can banjo al natural, it sounds a little something like this. Something like that. Just that little twang that you're familiar with if you've ever played or built one. But it sounds a lot better when you amplify it. Now that's what's cool right there. This is just a clean setting on a line 6 amp. Nothing special. Run through all the settings on the amplifier to see what this can sound like in a variety of modes. So that's clean on the amp. Now we're going to go to the first level of twang. Not a huge difference, but a little something. Then you go on full twang, that's level 2. So it has a little bit of an echo. I think that sounds sweet. Blues level 1. Level 2. Now here's where it gets kind of weird. We're going to go into some of the distortion settings on an amp, but this gets kind of freaky. That's crunch level 1, crunch level 2. Metal level 1. Something called insane, which I don't think this poor thing can quite handle. Never mind. That's actually metal level 2, but that don't sound half bad. That's the weird stuff. Alright, don't like that one. So there you have it, folks. Brief sound demo of the electric oil can banjo. Actual songs coming soon.